So here what you want, sir, you want to point and you want to slope value. So find the equation of the normal at the curve. Y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is the parallel line. X plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so now here differentiation in this equation. So what you can write, sir? Dy by dx is equal d by dx of x power n formula, nana. So what is the x power n formula, ma? X cube plus 2x plus 6. Chiradeep, what is the d by dx of x power n formula? Dy by dx is equal Nanda Kishore. Nanda Kishore.
Sir.
D by dx of x power n formula, nana.
Sir, n power n x power n minus 1.
Yes, super, nana. N into x power n minus 1. So here 3 x power 3 minus 1 means 3x square plus dx will get cancelled to constant value 0. So this is the slope of the equation 1. So next in this equation you have to convert to y is equal to mx plus c, right? Correct only, no? You have to convert to this equation y is equal to mx plus c. Why? Because here you have to find out slope value. So now here what I am writing, 14y is equal minus x minus 4. Okay, RHS side I am writing. So here 14 is there, dividing both sides on 14. So y is equal minus 1 by 14 into x minus 4 by 14. Already you know slope of the formula, y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to what can write, sir? Minus 1 by 14. So this is the slope 1 value. Slope m. So now here find out the equation means what you want, sir? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Yes. So now here slope value got it. What is asking Amma slope? Is asking which is the parallel lines. Parallel lines means what you can write, sir? M1 is equal to M2. So M1 is equal to M2. M1 means what can write, sir? Minus 1 by 14 is equal to 3x square plus 2. Once you can copy Nana this one up to here. Today how is the your feeling in board?
Good.
Today no.
No, sir.
Okay. Today onwards I will teach in this board only. Okay. So these many days you were troubling now. Completed, amma?
Yes, sir.
So here this is m1, this is m2. So m1 into m2 is equal to -1. So in this equation, one equation is 3x square plus 2 is equal to -1 into m2. So m2 is equal to -1 by 3x square plus 2. Next, second slope, here also m1 into m2 is equal to -1. m1 value -1 by 14 into m2 is equal to -1. Minus will get cancelled. m2 is equal to 14. Here itself also. So now here, what is the condition, Nana? m1 is equal to m2. Parallel means m1 is equal to m2. m1 means what you can write, sir? 3 x square plus 2 is equal 14. m1 is equal m2, slope value. So here 3x square is equal 14 minus 2. So 3x square is equal to 12. So 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So x square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. So x is equal to plus 2 one condition. X is equal to minus 2 one condition. In this x value, you can substitute the main equation. What is the main equation, sir? Here y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Okay, y value got it. Okay, y value got it. One slope value got it. You can find out the equation. Okay, once you can copy now. Okay, Nana, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The 22 you can do, Nana. Homework same. Okay. 23 is you can see, Nana, very important. x is equal y square and xy is equal to k. You have to prove that 8k square is equal to 1. Very important, Nana. Number of times he is asking. You can check champion book. Okay, very important, Amma. See what is given. X is equal to y square is given. Xy is equal to k is given. You have to prove that 8k square is equal to 1. Okay, first what you can do, sir, here you have to find out point x comma y. Second step, you have to find out both differentiation. In this equation differentiation, in this equation differentiation. One equation differentiation slope value m1. One equation differentiation slope value m2. What is asking? Parallel. Parallel means m1 into m2 is equal to -1. How to substitute that one will get. Okay. See, Nana, how to we can find out? Okay, k value. See here xy is equal to k is given, Nana. So x is equal to what is given, Amma? Y square is given. So in this place, x place I am writing y square into y is equal to k. Now here bases are equal, powers you can add. Yes. So now here what can write, sir? Y cube is equal to k. So y is equal to what can write, sir? K power 1 by 3. K power 1 by 3. You got it, y value. Next, in this equation, I am writing x is equal to y square. So here x is equal to y means already you are find outing k power 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power 2. Here already you know formula. What is the formula, sir? A power m whole power n is equal a power mn. A power mn. So now here you can write x power is equal x is equal to k power 2 by 3. X value you got it, y value you got it in this point. Okay. Next, what is the given equations are? X is equal to y square. X is equal to y square. Both sides differentiation. Differentiation with respect x. So here what you can write, sir? Dx by dx is equal d by dx of y square. So now here dx will get cancelled. 1 is equal d by dx of y square. Y square means what is the formula, sir? D by dx of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. So here 2 into y power 2 minus 1 into dy by dx. Into dy by dx. Here dy by dx is equal to what can write, sir? 1 by 2y. So this is the slope m1. M1 is equal 1 by 2y. Okay. In this equation completed, x is equal to y square. Next, xy is equal to k. Here also both sides differentiation. Here what can formula can apply, sir? UV formula can apply. UV formula means x into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx is equal k means constant value 0. K means constant value 0. So now here dx will get cancelled. So x into dy by dx is equal minus y. Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So this is the slope m2. You got it, m1 and m2. Here what is the conditions are? Parallel. Parallel means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Up to you can write here, Nana. Still is there.
Completed, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
Okay. Minus y by x is equal to minus 1 none. So here this minus will get cancelled, y will get cancelled. So here what can write, sir? 1 by 2x is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 1, cross multiplication. Okay. So now here x is equal to what can write, sir? X is equal to k power 2 by 3 can write. So k power 2 by 3 you can write is equal to 1. Now here both sides cube none differentiation, sorry, both sides cube. Cube means what you can write, sir? 2k 2 by 3 whole cube is equal 1 cube. So here 2 cube k power 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 1. 2 cube means what you can write, sir? 8. This cube will get cancelled. 8k square is equal to 1. Very important, Nana. Okay. So once you can see after completing, otherwise one time you have to practicing also, no problem. Maximum they will ask this one. Completed, Amma. Completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now once you can see that problem, Nana, same problem once you have to revise. See, Nana, 24th one. Find the equation tangent of hyperbola. Equation is given on x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is given at the point x0 y0 is given. So here also same, Nana, differentiation both sides. So d by dx of means what you can write, sir, 2x by a square minus 2y by b square into dy by dx is equal to 0. dy by dx is equal to 0. This equation you can write that side. So 2x by a square is equal 2y by b square into dy by dx. Why, sir? You are writing that side means you have to find out dy by dx. Yes. So now here 2 will get cancelled. This b square will come here. B square by a square. Okay. So now x y is coming here into dy by dx. This is slope m1. Already one point is given in this point. So dy by dx is equal b square by a square into x0 by y0. You got slope value, you got point. So what you can write, sir, here y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. So here y minus y1 means 0, m means b square by a square into x0 by y0 minus x0. Now just you can cross multiplication, Amma, can find out the equation. Okay. Sinana 25th. So okay, once you can copy that one.
22.
Okay, I will explain. Completed, right? Completed.
Completed, sir.
Find the equation of the tangent. Y is equal 3x minus 2 root, which is the parallel to line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here also same nana. Slope 1, slope 2 you have to find out. So with respect, dy by dx is equal, so d by dx of 3x minus 2 root, so dy by dx is equal root x. This is fully root x, means what can write nana? 2 root x, 2 root x, again 3x differentiation into 3. So now here dy by dx is equal 3 by 2 into 3x minus 2. Okay, this is slope m1. Next to 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Convert to equation y is equal to mx plus c. 4x plus 5 is equal to 2y. Y is equal to 4 by 2x plus 5 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Y is equal 2x 5 by 2. Here also what can write, sir? Y is equal to, so m2 is equal to 2. You can see none here. Okay. 1 second copy none. Okay. So condition what nana? Parallel means m1 is equal to m2. m1 means 3 by 2 into 3x minus root 2 is equal to. So cross multiplication 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4, 3x minus 2. Both sides square roots, means what can write, sir? 9, 16, 3x minus 2. So 9 is equal, 16 3s are 48, x 32, 32 plus 9, 41 is equal 48x. So x is equal 41 by 48. So x value got it now, you can substitute the here. Y value got it. You can find the equation y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. That is the answer. Okay. Once you can complete it. So the slope of the normal curve at a point x is equal to 0 nana. 26th one. Same. So you can calculate that values and you can find out. Okay. Next to 27th also. Tangent curve at a point you can find out. Differentiation, slope value equal, they will get. So next concept approximate values we'll teach tomorrow. Okay, once you can revise if you completed this and all. Approximate values easy only. This concept. In the chapter, two concepts are there. One is approximate values, one is maximum and minimum values. ఫోన్లోనే ఏముంది అసలు వీకే పని ఉంటే ఏం మాట్లాడకుండా ఉంటే జడ్జి నాకు జనారే అనొచ్చు. ఏదన్నా అడిగినప్పుడు అన్ని గుర్తుకొస్తాయి. పని చేత కాదు. ఓ తీసుకుపోమంట అది రమ్మని తీసుకొని పొమ్మని. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్స్ యూ కెన్ రివైజ్ అమ్మా. ఏముంది మట సంగ ఉండినప్పుడు ఎందుకు వదిన పరువు తీసుకోవటం. ఏంది అర్థం కాలే? Completed ra?
Completed, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
tomorrow I will explain. Okay, approximate values.